One day, one new Asian startup. Today, we're going to talk about HACARUS, a Japanese company. What if you could train an industrial AI without thousands of examples? This Japanese company built an AI that can learn with what the perfect product looks like from just a handful of images, then spots defect automatically on the factory line. So we are using AI on factory here. Let's go. All right, so we have a presentation. HACARUS AI quality control with almost no training data, which is super rare. We see in all of our videos. When you use AI, you almost always have data, and you almost always have a lot of data. So this is super rare. This is Japanese AI made in Kyoto. So let's go. So what's the problem? The problem with traditional AI, we have it here, is that it needs way too much data. It needs a lot of data, like thousands of images, really even more, hundreds of thousands. And so in manufacturing, defects are rare. Defects is when something is not good. So you need to collect thousands of images. It's expensive, it's slow, and sometimes it's impossible. So this is what they say. Traditional AI, you need thousands of images just to have just to train your AI. With this, you just learn from a small set of images. Looks a bit counterintuitive because usually you need a lot of data to train AI. So then, how does it work? So 5 steps to know how it works. The camera captures parts of the line. Then you get a few normal images, so the ones that are good. You have sparse modeling. Looks like a bit. I did machine learning before. Looks like a bit like clustering model or this kind of things. Mathematics model inside. Then once you have it, you have automatic inspection. The AI inspects every part in real time, and they detect if there is defects. Actually, it's a bit like the opposite. Instead of having thousands of image of defects, you have thousands of image that works. Why? Because if you have the one that works, then you can find the outliers. The outliers are the one which are not inside the tough points. So you know that if they are not inside, they are outside. So if they're outside, there are defects. And so because it's much easier to have the data of the one which works, um, sounds good, sounds intelligent, sounds smart. So you have minimal data. You need only normal image. So you need a lot of image, but from normal image, you can have fast deployment because you train in hours, high accuracy, and easy to scale. So you just take the problem and do the opposite. It's built for the reward because then you can apply to actually everything inside factories. They need to produce some things. It's the same. You have good products. We can take thousands of images of good products, and then you can find automatically, thanks to AI, the ones that are not good products. You have high accuracy, you have fast deployment, and low data needs. You need some data for sure, but you need data which are good data, so data from good products. And so thanks to this, you can have good parts which are okay and defects which are detected. All right. What is used for? It's built for manufacturing, ready for the future. Actually, it's built for the industry. They have like 3 different products. HACARUS Inside, HACARUS Check for AI visual inspection. HACARUS Insight, it's a bit like the data they have it with processus intelligence. And AI for robotics, because if you are in the factories, you need to build. And if you want to build more and more, you have now robotics inside. We saw it into other companies like Boito, which done AI for robots inside factories. So you have it more and more and more. What's the roadmap? What they do? They began in 2024, so it's quite old. Now in 2026, with some AI factories going into it. We already started the global expansion in 2020. And a team of 200, more than 200 person in 50 countries. based in Tokyo, in Kyoto. Kyoto. So that's it. If you want to have a look at their website, this is HACARUS, so you can have a look. You can check everything. You can check all of the projects. So that we talked before. You can see the case study. Actually, the case study are really Japanese focus, quite normal for a Japanese company. And you have Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, so you can have some social media to follow. Yeah, you have it here. Yeah, actually, it's in Japanese, sometimes in English. And you have it here. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon for a presentation of a new startup. Until then, have fun. Take care. Ciao, ciao.